Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies within this red target area down here. And having seen a low within the formation of this red target area, I now believe that you have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And since we are in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3. This is the micro Elliot wave count that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen if I zoom into the charts, where you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 within the red target area down here, we started this massive run up to the upper side of being the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.1755 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a breakdown into the minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is the target area highlighted here in blue. And having fully maximized our target area in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.1276 mark, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upper side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And since we are in the formation of that wave 3, that is what I'm going to base my analysis on, and also give you my breakdown targets here on the GRT chart. And since we are in the formation of a wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And you can see that after seeing our low down here at around the $0.1279 mark, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side, giving us a peak at around the $0.151 mark, and giving you a measure from that low down there to that high. You can see that the market was up by more than 18.33%, and there are very high chances that that is now the peak for that first wave to the upper side of this fractal wave within the formation of that wave 3. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. And if that is the case and the breakdown continues, then we can be able to sketch out target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.1393 mark and the $0.1366 mark. And it is within this red target area down here that we can expect to get new lows in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then the wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And in case the breakdown continues in the formation of this wave 2, then I think that will be another perfect entry to get back into GRT, and that is not financial advice, so that we can be able to ride this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my breakdown targets between the 0.13 $0.1393 mark and the $0.1366 mark in the formation of that wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 55 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support further breakdown in case the breakdown continues here on the GRT chart. Also taking a look at the MACD, we had been able to print a bullish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we are going to print a bearish cross to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out and continue watching that red target area in the formation of that wave 2. And that's all for this video.